This is my beatboxing. My beatboxing way. This is my beatboxing way. Oh yeah. And my rapping way. Oh yeah. Yeah. You can't handle this? No, you can't handle this? You can't handle this? No. Boots, cuts. Okay, just pause, push. Pause. Okay, now that I just pushed pause, I need to tell you, this might get pretty high pitched, so you might want to turn it down, turn it down, please, turn it down, turn it down, please, turn it down, turn it down. Anyways, unpause. This is unpause. This is unpause. I'm gonna go soprano. I already am soprano. Know what that was? I'm gonna go alto now. I need to slow things down. I'm gonna go alto. I'm going. Now I'm going soprano. I'm going soprano. I am an alto. Truly, 'cause my voice is so deep. Pause. Yo, what? What did you just say about me? You can't say that, because only Jesus Christ can judge me. What? Did you really just hear that? What? Did you really just say that to me? What? No. Yes, of course I did, because Jesus Christ came down to die for my sin. That's why I don't really deserve to be alive right now, because when they were throwing rocks and stones at him, I was just there laughing and mocking at him. That's not right. No, you think that's right? That's not right. What you talking about, boy? What? You must be tripping, because you know what? God is making me living. What? Did you just really say that? Did you just really say that? What? That's all I really got for right now, because I don't have any more ideas like to rap, because I'm not a pro rapper. I can't even rap Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I just said tinkle tinkle, but I meant to say twinkle twinkle. What? I am an alto, and I need to go now. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. This is Sarai Gaitan. Goodbye.